So this morning I was out at Jacob's well for fishing. As usual, I brought along my crab pots. For a long time now, I wonder how often should I check my pots. I have a spare GoPro. Why not put it in the pot and see what really goes on under the water? The mullet I used was relatively fresh. I would say no more than a week old. It's never been frozen and it's been descaled. Anyway, let me know in the comments section below how often I should check my crab pot. So from this little experiment, I think from now on I will check my pot every 2 hours. Anyway, if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, share and subscribe. It's TimWanderer. I'll see you out in the water. Bye. Nothing whatsoever.